In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a controller in Steam games. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enable controller support in Steam, adjust per game settings, and get your controller reliably connected so you can jump straight into gameplay. First, open the Steam application on your PC and sign in so you're on the main homepage. We'll start by turning on Steam's built-in controller support. In the top left corner, click Steam, select Settings, then choose Controller from the left sidebar. Under General Controller Settings, check the box that matches your controller type. You'll see options like Xbox Configuration Support, PlayStation Configuration Support, Switch Pro, or a generic gamepad option. These toggles let Steam Input translate your button presses, show the correct on-screen prompts, and give you access to remapping tools. Pick the one that applies to your controller, and leave the others off to keep things clean. Next, let's set how a specific game handles your controller. In your library, right-click the game you want to play and select Properties. Go to the Controller tab. Here, you can set it to enable Steam Input if you want Steam to manage the controller for that game, which is great for consistent button prompts and fine-tuned layouts. If the default setting already works well for you, feel free to leave it as is. After that, launch the game and customize your layout using the controller configurator. This is where you can precisely map buttons, tweak sensitivity, adjust dead zones for analog sticks, and tailor everything to your playstyle. Save your layout so it loads automatically next time. Now let's connect the controller. You can plug it in with a USB cable for a quick, stable connection, or pair it wirelessly via Bluetooth if you prefer fewer wires. Make sure the connection is secure and then return to the controller section in Steam. Steam should detect the controller automatically. You'll see it listed once it's recognized. If you like haptic feedback, you can toggle rumble here to your preference. That's it. Thanks for watching.